Hi, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to present my final evidence. I choose international market entry analysis for Novatech Solutions. The introduction. I specialize in Latin American market analysis for international corporations, and today I will present our findings and recommendations for Novatech solution in its potential entry into the Mexican market. The Novatech Solutions is an international technology company that is exploring expansion into Mexico. The industry, technology, digital devices, innovation, and driving products. The goal is evaluate feasibility, opportunities, risk, and the best entry strategy to enter Mexico successfully. Mexico has a stable federal democratic system. The government programs often support innovation, technology, and foreign investment. The regulatory complexity exists, but compliance is manageable for each companies. Uh, Political landscape influences data regulations, imports rules, and tax policy. In the economic, environmental, and legal environment, the Mexican peso shows moderate volatility but remains stable compared to previous decades. The technology products maintain strong demand despite inflation cycles. The economic openness and strategic geographical location favor foreign technology firms, and the legal environment. It's that Mexico offers strong protections for intellectual property through IMPI. The technology companies must comply with digital data protection norms, import regulations for electronic devices, and electrical and safety standards. Compliance ensure Novatech's safe and legal market participation. The cultural environment. Mexican workplace values trust, warmth, and personal relationships. The communication tends to be polite and somewhat indirect. Novatech should expect a mix of hierarchical and collaborative work environments. Local teams appreciate recognition, teamwork, and professional growth opportunities. Now, the labor environment. Mexico offers a competitive labor costs for technical and operational positions. Mandatory benefits include social security, Christmas bonus, paid holidays, and vacation premium. Tech talent availability is rising due to STEM focus on universities. Labor unions operate mainly in manufacturing but are less common in software sectors. The potential challenges and logistics. Customs delays for electronic goods, differences in electrical standards for devices, competition from established brands Samsung, Xiaomi, and Huawei, and the logistics risks manageable through reputable freight partners and local alliances. The recommendation is that best entry mode, joint venture, or a strategic partnership with a local distributor. Timing enter within 12 18 months due to strong tech demand. The cost to consider is imports, logistics, marketing, certifications, compliance, market penetration strategy. Start in major cities, Mexico City, Monterrey, and Guadalajara. And now for the second presentation, I am going to talk about a PIME in Mexico. That is a Fusion de Morelos. It's an international environment analysis for entry into Western Europe. It's prepared by Global Nexus Consultors, location Morelos, Mexico. The company overview. Fusion de Morelos, it's a Mexican SME based in Temisco, Morelos, produces artisanal Mexican specialty foods, salsas, moles, spices, uh, chiles, and international traditional snacks. The 25 employees focus on highly quality handcraft products made using regional ingredients, seeking to expand into Western Europe markets, Spain, France, and Germany. The mission and value proposition. The mission is to bring the authentic flavors of Morelos to international consumers through high quality, handcraft Mexican food products. The value proposition is 100% authentic Mexican ingredients, handmade production processes, unique regional flavors rarely found in European markets, and clean labels, minimal additives, traditional recipes. The competitor landscape, it's the local competitors in Europe, Spanish artisanal sauce producers, Mediterranean specialty food brands, global Mexican competitors, as it could be the La Costeña, Herdes, and the smaller boutique Mexican brands expanding to Europe. The opportunity is Fusion de Morelos, offers unique regional recipes not commonly available abroad, promoting differentiation. The technological environment, Mexico's tech outlook, increasing adopting of digital logistics and e-commerce, expansions of online payment systems and delivery platforms, impact of Fusion de Morelos, potential to expand through online sales channels, and improve logistics options for national and international distribution. The legal environment, K regulations affecting SMEs, tax compliance rules for micro and small business, food safety and packaging standards for edible products, and export regulations for specialty foods implications. The Fusion de Morelos must maintain strict food handling and labeling standards. Compliance facilitates export opportunities. The environmental factors, the current context, increasing pressure for sustainable production practices, government incentives for logical processes for Fusion de Morelos, consider eco-friendly packaging and promote sustainable sourcing of ingredients. Challenges for Fusion de Morelos. Competition with established international brands, the limited product capacity compared to larger firms, currency fluctuations affecting exports cost, need for improved digital marketing and brand positioning. And last, the strategy recommendations. Develop an export ready product in the packaging certifications labeling, strengthen digital presence through a multilingual website and social media, create alliances with European specialty food distributors, adopt sustainable practices to appeal to eco-conscious consumers, and implement dynamic pricing to mitigate exchange rate volatility.